Root and flow, grounding through yoga in the modern world, where distractions are abundant and stress levels run high, finding a sense of grounding and flow is essential for overall well-being. Yoga offers a holistic approach to grounding through movement, breath, and awareness. The principles of root and flow in yoga help practitioners connect deeply with the earth while allowing energy to move freely throughout the body. Understanding rooting in yoga refers to establishing a stable connection with the ground, which creates a solid foundation for both physical and mental stability. This concept is deeply associated with the root chakra, Muladhara, located at the base of the spine. The root chakra garners feelings of security, safety, and belonging. When balanced, it fosters a deep sense of trust and presence in one's body and environment. Postures that emphasize grounding often involve strong contact with the earth, focusing on the legs, feet, and pelvis. Standing poses like Tadasana, mountain pose, Virbhadrasana, warrior poses, and Malsana, garland pose, encourage a stable base. By consciously pressing into the ground and engaging the lower body, practitioners can cultivate a deep-rooted presence, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety and disconnection. Breathwork, pranayam, also plays a crucial role in grounding. Deep, slow breathing, such as Dirga pranayam, three-part breath, or Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, calms the nervous system, reinforcing a sense of stability. When combined with mindful awareness, grounding techniques in yoga create a foundation for balance and centeredness. Flow, the movement of energy while rooting provides stability. Flow in yoga introduces fluidity and adaptability. Flow, often associated with the element of water, allows energy, prana, to move freely throughout the body, enhancing flexibility, circulation, and mental clarity. Vinyas Yoga is a prime example of flow in motion. The seamless connection between breath and movement in sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, or Chandra Namaskar, moon salutation, cultivates a sense of harmony between stillness and motion. Flowing sequences encourage practitioners to surrender to the natural rhythms of life, helping to release tension and emotional blockages. Beyond physical movement, the principle of flow extends to the mind and emotions. A rigid mind often leads to stress and resistance, whereas a fluid mindset fosters resilience and adaptability. Practices such as yin yoga or restorative yoga, which emphasize deep holds and surrender, teach the art of flowing with life's changes rather than resisting them. Integrating root and flow for holistic balance. The interplay between root and flow in yoga creates a harmonious balance between stability and movement. Without grounding, flow can become chaotic, leading to instability. Conversely, without flow, rooting may feel stagnant or rigid. Integrating both aspects allows for a well